Hello everybody, I am Krishna Rao Patro, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Hyderabad. Today, we will discuss about one important method, that is how to display the output. That means the output methods. What are the various kinds of output methods are available in Java? That means how can you display all types of your result on the screen. So there are various methods available in Java. So we'll discuss about the three important methods: println method, print method, and printf method. How these three methods are available in Java and how you can use and how they are different from each other. Those things we'll discuss. Remember, print and println and printf. They are the three standard way of printing the data or printing your result. These three are the member of out object. Out is a member of system class. System is a class which is part of lang package. So whenever you want to use this println method, you have to use this syntax: system.out.println. ln means new line. So when I say ln, that is nothing but new line. That means it will display the data and then it will introduce a next line. When you say print, it will display everything in a single line itself. So whatever the data you want to print, it will display in the same line. It will not introduce any new line. Printf, this is formatted output. You can have your own formatted output. If you want to display, then you have to use printf. Println means display the data as well as introduce a new line. Print means display everything in the same line itself. Printf means you can display the data with your own format. So whenever you need this kind of display, then you can choose one of the print method: println, print, printf. And for this, which class you have to use? System class. Under the system class, there is a standard object or static object, that is out object. What object? Out. Out is a static object which is available in the system class. You can call directly. And under the out object, there are three methods. First method is println. Second is print. Third is printf. Okay. Now let us see a small example how you can use this println method. When I write class output, this is my own name, public static void main string argument system.out.println output word. So if you run, what you will get? Because whatever the statement you have written within double quote, that string will be displayed. So the output will be output word. So this is the required output. At the same time, it will introduce a new line. The control will come to next line. So that is the nature of println. Now, how these three are different from each other? Print prints the string inside the quote. Println, it prints the string inside the quotes, similar to print method. Then its cursor moves to the beginning of the next line. Because of the ln, the cursor comes to next line. Similarly, printf, it provides the string formatting, just like our which are available in the C and C++. Same format: %C, %D, %F. These are the various control characters we are using in the format specifier. So those things are available in the printf method. So these are the three different kind of printing methods available in Java. Now you can see this program: println, and print. If you observe these two, one println and two println. See, the first printf means first printing statement and second printing statements, which is using println. So when I run, what you will get? First println as well as second println in two different lines. Whereas the third one and fourth one, it will display everything in the same line. See, if you observe here, print and to print, the last line, everything in a same line. It is not going to second line because you have written print. So print method will allow you to print in the same line itself. So the cursor will not move to second line. Whereas if you introduce println, the cursor will go to next line immediately. So that is the difference between print and println. So from this output, you can guess how println and print are different. So remember, if you want to display everything in a same line, always use print. If you want to print in different line, then go for println. Anyway, I will show you one special program in the notepad also. But just you see now what kind of programs are there. Then how will you display a variable data as well as literal data, constant data? Assume I am having a double literal 10.6 minus 10.6. Now number is what? My variable. This number I am printing system.out.println number. So automatically the value of number will be printed. How much? That is minus 10.6. Whereas if I write system.out.print 5. So 5 is direct constant. So that is integer literal. So the 5 is printed. So that means this is coming from the integer literal and this is coming through variable. So you can display the data of variable. You can display direct constant data also. So in two different lines, you are getting the two different outputs. So this is the way you are getting the output. So you can display the value of a variable or you can display the constant also. This is also a simple program. Of course, in almost all programs, you will be using this technique. Similarly, how will you concatenate two data? Assume I want to display the value of a variable along with some string. System.out.println within double quote IM plus awesome. Awesome is what? It is a string constant, string literal. So this is also string literal. These two I am concatenating. So this printf system.out.println, what is printing? IM awesome. So that means it is combining the two strings. So it is printing in a same line. When you come to second printf, this is the first one. When you come to second printf, here it is printing what? Number equal to plus number. That means the value of the variable will be concatenating. So whenever you want to display the value of the variable along with the string, then you have to use this way. So number equal to plus number. This is called concatenation operator. Concatenation operator. So you can combine two things, string with the value of the variable. So because in some application you may need the value of the variable to display along some string, some message. So whenever you want to do, then use this one. So this is the way the string with value of the variable can be displayed with the help of the concatenation technique. So for concatenation, which operator you would use? That is your plus operator. So plus operator is useful for concatenation. So this is a simple example of string concatenation. Similarly, there is one more important method called printf. What method? Printf. Printf is what? Formatted printf. If you want to display the data in a special format. If you observe here, my name of the class is format output Java printf. Name Cameron. String site take target Cameron take target. System.out.println. I like the stuff percentages writes on percentage uppercases name comma site. Now see here name is a variable. Name is a variable. Similarly site also variable. But this variable what type? String type. This variable also string type. In the name variable Cameron is there. In the site variable take target is there. These two string literals are available. Now I want to put that value in the middle of the string. That means I want to stuff it. I want to insert in between. So by introducing this percentage s, here lowercase percentages, here uppercase percentages. Now whatever the value is there, that value will be introduced. Okay, so this is formatted printf. This is what printf? Formatted printf. Formatted printf. So the string value is introduced here. Here this value is converted into uppercase. This is support, mean this type of format is available in Java. So if you observe here, the output will be like this. I like the stuff followed by the name. Whatever the value available in the name, that value is available here. Cameron. Because that came from the variable. Writes on, again percentage uppercases. Uppercases means the site is actually tech target, that is displayed in uppercase tech target. So this value is displayed here. So this is the way you will get the output. Okay. So the percentages print the specified does not change the letter string, whereas percentage uppercases which is converting into uppercase. So remember, you can use lower cases or you can use uppercases. When you say uppercases, the value of the variable will be also displayed in the uppercase format. That is possible in the case of printf method only. The variable must be listed in the order specified in the reference string. So while writing in the printf method, the way you have mentioned the percentage f, in the same way the value of the variable will be inserted. Okay. Next, you can display even the integer data as well as the decimal format data with the help of percentage %d and percentage %f. D for decimal integer and F for your float variable data. So whenever you want to display the decimal integer or float data, you can use percentage %d or percentage %f. Here if you observe here, x is how much? 105. X is 105. Y is how much? 2.345. So that means you are having two variables. One integer variable, another is float variable. Of course, here you should write one f here because y is a float variable. For float variable, you should write f, otherwise it will give error. So write f. System.out.print %d point to f x comma y. So that means the value of x goes to first to control variable, value of y goes to second variable. So automatically what it will print? The output will be 105, which comes from x. And here point to f. Point to f means after decimal 2 digit it will print. After decimal only 2 digits are printed. So actually my value is 2.345. So after decimal 2 digit, that means it will go up to this. But after 4, 5 is there. So it will go to, means it will round off. It will go to the next digit. So instead of 34, it will go to 35. So before decimal, whatever things are there, it will print as it is. So this is the way the output comes. So this comes from x, this comes from y. But the value of y is rounded off because you have mentioned point to f. So this type of output, it is possible with the help of printf method only. Okay. So your Java supports various format specifiers. %a for floating point data, %h of any kind of data, %c for character kind data, %d for integer kind data, and %e for exponential format floating point, %f float data, %d float data, %h of any kind, that means for hexadecimal string. If you want to display the data in a hexadecimal format, %n, it will introduce a new line, platform specific. %o, it will display the data in the octal format. And %s of any type, generally string variables are used. %d, generally for the time format. %x for integer hexadecimal string. So these are the various kinds of format specifiers available in Java. You can use in your printf method. I have given a sample format method. Assume you are having a long variable n, 461012, a lengthy variable. So stored in a long variable, and display the data %d, %n. So that n value is displayed. And %n means what? This is also equivalent to \n, the new line character. So automatically the control will come to next line. Now %0d, %n, here there is a speciality. %d is different and %0d is different. So when you say %08d, it will specify the 8 bit, means it will introduce 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0, 8D. But value is what? 4, 6, 1, 0, 1, 2. 4, 6, 1, 0, 1, 2. So out of 8, still 2 are remaining. Means 2 are vacant. This vacant place will be filled with 0. That's why the output is 0, 0. So whenever you want to display the data with a specified size, then you can introduce this way. So that means here my requirement is what? It must display in a 8-digit format. 8-digit format. But out of 8 digit, I am having only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 are valid, means available. Remaining 2, what I will do? I will fill with 0. So that is also possible. So you can display in this format. Similarly, you want to display plus 8D. So that means plus symbol will come. 4, 6, 1, 0, 1, 2. Like this will come. That is plus. Similarly, if you want to display with comma specified, that means percentage comma 8D. So 461,012. So that means after 1000 the comma should come. After lakhs some comma should come. After crore some comma should come. So in that case you can introduce this. Because while writing a big number, generally we are giving the comma and all to specify the unit size. 1,200 like this, or 20,000 something, or 101,000 something. So whenever you want to have the comma specified number, then go for this. Similarly, plus symbol to be used along with the comma, then you can write this. So these are the various kinds of printing format. But how you are printing? There is one more method. Instead of println, there is another method called format method. So you can use format method also to display the output. Similarly, there is a built-in value called pi in under math package, means under math class. So you can get the value which is in the double and display in the floating point format. 0.3, 10.3. 10.3 means you introduce totally 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, 3.142. That means after decimal 3 digit. After decimal 3 digit. So our values are 142, 142. And 3 will be here. Remaining will be vacant. No. So if you want to display the data in this format, so automatically it will allocate 10 space. In the 10 space, after decimal 3 digits will display, and remaining digits are in the left side will be vacant. So that means this much space is allocated for you to display the data. Similarly, minus 10.3. Minus 10.3 means actually this is come from right to left, where this goes from left to right. That means 3.142 followed by the space. So you can display the output in two different format, either left to right or right to left. So whenever you want to display the data in different format, you can use this formatted method also. Okay. So let us have a small application. I will go to the notepad, Control N. The formatted output, how it will display, plus a format demo. Here I will try to display the data in a different format. Public static void main string arguments array, open bracket, close bracket. I'll write first system.out.println hello. At the same time, I'll write one more system.out.println word. Control S. My name of the program is format demo. Control C. Save as V. Java source file. I'll go to my command prompt. Go to command prompt. Java C. Format demo. Java. Yes, compiled successfully. Now run format demo. Now what is showing? Hello in first line, world in second line because of println. Whereas same program, now see, Control C, Control V. I'll remove this print. Now system.out.print within double quote. I will introduce one backslash n. This line is also equivalent to new line, println. So now what I am doing, I am printing a set of underline with new line character. This backslash n is called escape sequence character. Escape sequence character. So this will bring to the next line. So my program is saved now. Here, if you observe here, println, here print. Now try to observe how this output comes. I will clear the screen. Yes. Backslash n, the escape sequence character. This is escape sequence, means a constant or a comment statement. Yes. Now no error. Clear the screen. Java format demo. Yes. If you observe here the output, in first two, hello world comes two different lines, whereas here hello world comes in single line, because print method will display everything in a single line itself. Single line itself. But if you want to print two different line, in that case what you will do? Put a backslash n. Put a backslash n. This is a escape sequence character which is available in Java. Control S. Now again I will compile. Now it has come to two different lines because I have introduced backslash n. This backslash n is called what? Escape sequence characters. Now I will write one more escape sequence %c. Instead of two different lines, I want to introduce backslash t. Backslash t. Instead of backslash n, I will introduce backslash t. Backslash t means what? Tab. Backslash n is new line. Escape sequence character backslash n, that is new line. That is new line. This is backslash t means tab. That means hello one tab followed by word. So it will come in two different, means same line with two one tab. Yeah. If you observe here, hello, it has come. Because hello has come to same line, I have to give the tab. Here I should give a backslash n, new line. Here backslash t. Because after coming to next line, I want to give a backslash t. Backslash t means one tab. Control S. Copy the script. Now see the output. Compile. Yeah. Here you got hello world in two different lines. Hello tab world. Here it has introduced backslash t. Means it is giving a tab, means 8 space between hello and world. So this is also one of the escape sequence characters which you can use in the print method. Okay. whenever you want to introduce a new line, then you can use print with the backslash n. For println, backslash n is not required because automatically it is introducing. Whereas for print method, you have to write backslash n whenever you want to come to next line. Similarly, there is one more escape sequence called backslash r. So they are the different two. I will introduce backslash t per tab. Okay. Control C. Here I will say backslash r carriage return. Now this is okay. I will write here third one. This is first one. Okay. This is second one. And this is third one. Just for clarity purpose. For third one, if you observe here, backslash r I wrote. Backslash r is what? It is also a backslash r. That is also carriage return. Escape sequence character backslash r. That means it takes the control to beginning of the same line. It takes the control to beginning of same line. That means hello is overwritten with world. So here you will not get hello world. Here you will get only, because here what happens? I'll put comment. First hello is printed, no doubt. After printing hello, because of the backslash r, automatically the cursor goes to beginning. From that place, world will be printed. WORLD. So you will get only world. So that means hello is overwritten with the, let us check. Control S. Format demo. Yeah. So only world you got. In third one, you got only world. Because backslash r is a carriage return which brings the control to beginning of the line. So when you come to beginning of line, again the world is overwritten. Hello is overwritten with the world. Fine. For example, I may write hello IARE. Now here what will happen? Initially, HELLO, hello IARE is printed. No doubt. Because of this statement, hello IARE is printed. Now, because of this backslash r, what happened? The control comes to beginning. From that point onwards, it prints. This printf statement prints from that first point onwards. So here hello is overwritten with the world. WORLD. So now you will get the output world IARE. Control S. Now if you run, yeah, you got world IARE at the bottom. So this is the way the escape sequence characters are working. Similarly, I will write one more. Control C. Control V. Fourth one, there is one more called backslash B, backspace. Assume hello IARE followed by backslash B. Backslash B means what? Backspace. That means the cursor goes to back. One space back. Assume backslash R I have removed. So hello IARE is there. Now because of this backslash B, this E will be erased and the world will be printed. Control S. Let us check. Fourth one. Compile it. Yeah. So world IARE. World means hello. IARE has gone because of the backslash B, backspace. E has erased. Then world is printed. So backslash B also one of the escape sequence character. That is backspace. Okay. So remember, backslash N, backslash T, backslash R, backslash B, these are all escape sequence characters. So now I list out the escape sequence characters. Escape sequence characters. First one is backslash n. Next one is backslash t. Next one is backslash r. Next one is backslash b. And one more is backslash f form feed. Next one is backslash v. And one more is backslash a. These are the different set of escape sequence characters that should be used only within the double quote, within string. So every escape sequence character having its own nature. Till now we have used these 4, and this is for f form feed for printer, and backslash b vertical tab, backslash a alarm. Let us use alarm also. Control C. I'll put 5th place. 5th place. Backslash. Assume I'll write here Arjun. A-R-J-U-N. So here backslash A having special meaning. That is your escape sequence character. Here you will get a small beep sound. If at all your system supports the sound, then you will get a small beep sound because it is having a special meaning. So now hello IARE followed by a small beep sound because of this backslash R followed by Arjun. A-R-J-U-N. So A will not be printed. Now check. 5th one. First I will compile. Sorry, you should put comment. These things I should put comment. They are set of escape sequence characters. Control S. Go to the command prompt. Java C format. Yes. The illegal escape sequence characters backslash. So this version of Java is not supporting. So you can avoid. But backslash A is alarms because this A alarm sound is not allowing. So better you can avoid. Just you put Arjun. Similarly, backslash F. Let us check whether this format is supporting or not. Control S. Because these are all the special escape sequence. Yes, it's supporting. Java format specify. Yeah. Here you got what? Hello IARE followed by a special character you got. This is actually for printer purpose. Whenever you are having a printer, that control will be taking care to printout purpose. So if the system is not having a printing attachment, but then generally that backslash F for printing purpose. Whenever you want to take page printout, there you can use backslash F. Similarly, one more is there. I'll use Control C. Backslash 6th one. I'll use V. Let's say V. Backslash V also vertical tab. Check how it works. So here backslash V also not supporting. So that means the system supports up to. So V and A not supported up to 5. These 5 escape sequence characters is supporting. These 2 are not supporting the system. So those things should be used within the string only. So please remember, escape sequence characters can be used in a printf statement or print statement. Anything inside the string. Now let us write one more print statement. Printf statement. Control N plus print demo, or I'll write printf demo. Printf demo. Public static void main string argument array. Here I want to use the printf statement. I told you printf statement generally useful for to print the data in a formatted, in a specified format. So I will declare 3 variables. Int variable, int a equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Similarly, I will define one character variable b equal to some character a. So a is integer variable, b is character variable. Similarly, I will define one float variable, float C equal to 2.3456F. Okay. So I am having integer variable, character variable as well as float variable. These three I want to display using printf statement. System dot out dot printf percentage D for decimal integer, percentage C for character, percentage uppercase C for upper, means same thing but in uppercase, percentage F, that is float, comma. So here I have written how many control characters? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 variable I should write in the order. First A for integer, next B for character, again B for character only, again C for. So how many control characters you written? That many variables you write in a order, so that the data will be displayed in the same format. So now Control C, Control F, Control S, Control S, Control V, source Java, save it, go to the command prompt, yes, Control C, Java C, printf demo, yes, my program compiled successfully, Java C, printf demo, yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, A. So everything written in uppercase only, because my data is given in uppercase. Let me store this data in the lowercase. Some estimate I'll write here M. Data in lowercase, but while printing, it has to print in uppercase. Control S. Let us run. Java C, printf demo. Yes, compiled. Yeah. Now if you observe here, this is come from A, this is come from B, is lowercase, this is come from B with uppercase C, this is come from my float format. Actually, when you display in the float format, it will display after decimal 6 digit. So actually I wrote 3, 4, 5, 6. These two will come automatically. That is the nature of percentage F. But actually I want to display after decimal only 2 digit. After decimal only 2 digit. In that case, you can specify the width. Format specifier here, before F you can write 0.2, that means after decimal 2 digit. After decimal, before decimal I am not bothering. Before decimal whatever the digits are there, that will print as it is, but after decimal 2 digits. Control S. In that case, first compile it. Yeah, now it has printed 2.35 because it is rounding up. Actually 3, 4 it's supposed to print, but after 4, 5 is there. So it is rounding up to next highest digit. So that's a 3, 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5, that is variable, integer variable. That is percentage C, that is percentage M, that is 0.2F. Okay. So this is the way it works. Similarly, assume I am having a string variable. String S equal to hello, how are you? This is a string. Hello, how are you is a string. This string I want to display. How will I display? Using printf method. Control S. So here, what I'll do, I will write here percentage S. And what is the variable? My variable is S. Or assume the variable name is hello variable. H I will write here. H is my variable. So here also what I'll do, the name of the variable is H. So percentage S I wrote. So it print as it is. At the same time, Control C, I will introduce printf backslash n. Backslash n means a new line followed by percentage S. I will write here in uppercase S. Uppercase S, that means same variable I want to display in uppercase. That value of the variable should display in uppercase. Control S, Java C, printf demo, yes, Java, printf demo, yeah. So it is printing hello, how are you is printing same line because I did not introduce backslash n. If you write backslash n, it will come to next line. It is printing as it is, whereas the last one it is printing in uppercase because I wrote percentage uppercases. If you want to print in the same different line, put a backslash n. Control S. Now, if you check, yeah, it is coming two different lines. Hello, how are you? And hello, how are you comes in the line with uppercase because I wrote here percentage uppercases. So these are the various types of format specifiers are there. Those things are applicable in printf statement or out format method. So you can use either format method or you can use printf method. Okay. So these are the various things. And one more thing also I want to display. Assume integer variable int some variable where equal to, okay, where I'll write v equal to some 567. I want to display backslash n percentage 10d, 10 value with variable v, percentage minus 10d, this is left, this come from left to right, this come from right to left, this come from right to left. Okay, and I want to pad 0, percentage 0 10d. If you observe, now compile it. Yeah, here it come from left side means 567 and previous that filling with empty space because here you have mentioned 10d. From left it is coming and filling 0 and here it is printing 567 followed by this, means up to this it is giving back empty space, whereas here from left side it is printing because whenever the empty space is, that is filled with 0. So you can specify the width 10d, 10 space are mentioned. In the 10 space the values are, so out of 10 remaining means 567 3 digits are filled, remaining are empty. This come from right side 567 and remaining left side are empty. And here minus 10d, that means is come from left to right. First 567 then empty. Here it come from right 567, remaining first 7 space are there, no, that is filled with zeros because here you wrote 0. So this is the way you can write your format specifiers. So this type of program generally required in the online coding platform. They may ask display the data with the required format. In that case you can use these things. Okay. So I hope it is clear. So in the future days we will be using this type of format for our application. Okay. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.